This is our research assignment. So this is a test grade for my students, and I have them research discussion topics from their module related to cancer. The first part of it is discussion related to abnormal tissue cells, those cells that turn into cancer and how they're classified. The next one is cancer screening and detection. And what does the acronym CAUTION mean? The third one is cancer treatments. So this is a big assignment for them. This is a full test grade. And then I have them do a care plan. On the practical nursing level, students do not assign nursing diagnosis. LPNs do not do that, but they do carry out the care, the teaching interventions, and supply the problems that help to actually create the nursing diagnosis. They're looking at and understanding what some of those problems are. So we have them look up nursing diagnoses that we give them, and they do the teaching interventions that go with those. And I have them look in their nursing central resources under colorectal cancer for this particular care plan. Then I have them do a journal research article from a professional or medical journal, and I have them go to Nursing Central to do that. And I teach them how to look up PRIME journals. And then they will take that. It has to be a journal that's related to one of these three topics. So either cancer treatment, cancer screening, or abnormal cancer cells. They will find a journal that relates to that and then write a summary from that journal. And so I have a rubric for that as well. And the rubric for the journal, it has to be up to 400 words, but no less than 250. The article has to be 5 years or newer. It has to explain which discussion topic they're referring to and how their article relates to that topic. It also has to tell me the relevance that that article has to a cancer patient, and then summarizes the main points of that article and put the reference in APA format. What is really cool about researching something from an article from Nursing Central is that it has these quotation tabs on a little search bar at the top of your screen when you're looking for it, and it will cite your articles for you. It will put them in a proper format that you want. And so I actually did a separate video for my students. I recorded it yesterday that shows them how to get into PRIME journals and how to find a particular subject that they're looking for, that they want to get a research article on, and then how to download that and how to get it cited. And I was able to keep that to 9 minutes. So I think that's helpful for them to be able to learn how to access things.